Yo, what is up, guys? So I'm gonna be playing Rivals, and this time I have a voiceover. So yeah, gonna be minigun trolling again with the exogun, katana, medkit. Yeah, mostly minigun and exogun. Easy. Bro, die already. Die, bro. Come on. A? Come on. Come on. Oh. Yo. Oh, I thought I had something going right there. I thought I was gonna, like, no clip back into the map or something. Why am I stuck in... Why did I just spawn in a... What? Why did I spawn in a smoke thing? Oh. Okay, I'm out of it now. Oh my god, bro. Katana? Really? Whatever. Let me just kill that kid. Okay, who's behind me? Bro, you again? Oh, wait, no. It wasn't him. It was one of the bacon hairs. Yeah, I changed my avatar, by the way, so yeah. Like this blue guy. Bruh. Oh, just let me hit you. Come on. What's that noise, bro? That's the most annoying noise in the world, bro. Okay. Yup. W kill. Oh my god, who's shooting me? Okay. Medkit. Flip! Assault rifle, really? And you used the skin too? Dang. I just got disrespected, bro. Minigun is literally just a better version of assault rifle. That, like, doesn't reload. Dude, that guy keeps killing me with good assault rifle and katana. A payback, bruh. Really, bro? I want first place. I need to get first place. I'm only 2 points behind. 16 isn't the amount of kills that I get. I'm pretty sure for an assist I get 1 point. For a kill, I get 2 points. So, yeah. Okay. Easy kill. Yeah. Okay. Exogun. Exogun cooking. Let's go. I got an assist. I got an elimination. And... You little... Dead. Bro, why can I not... Oh, I hate... You again. No. Not falling for it this time. At least I assisted him. What? Bro, he's literally at 10 HP. He's probably using medkit right now or something. I don't know if he even has it. Oh my god, I'm only at 66 HP. I am about... There's still like... I don't know. Yeah, like 3 minutes left. 3:40. Dude. Yeah! I like to play with the minigun too, but I kind of like the exogun a little bit more. The exogun's kind of OP. Cooking? Where are you? Bruh. Oh my god, dude. Why is there a floating RPG? my god, bro. He bought the classic bundle 100%. Nobody has that. Nobody that. So if you didn't buy the classic bundle, then you don't have that. Nobody buys that without the classic bundle. Like, if you buy that without the classic bundle, it's just useless. See you again? Bro, just let me show you. 10 HP, oh my god, I got a med kit. No, why did you spawn right here? Bruh. Bro, I want to target him so bad. Like, probably won't be a good. Why did I not get an assist or an elimination? He just kind of disappeared. He didn't die. Alright, so I'm going to kill you. No, never mind. I lied. I'll kill you. Please. Any day, please. Please don't snipe me. Please don't snipe me. If you snipe me, then. Ooh, yeah. Bruh. As soon as I start cooking, bruh. Stupid katana. So, he's just disappeared already. If you snipe me, bro. I was gonna say if you snipe me, then your parents don't love you. I wonder if anybody in this lobby recognizes me. I mean, my other shorts only got like, oh, it's 7 seconds. Wait, hold on. 44 views. 4 seconds left. 2 seconds left. 1 second left. And it's already over. GG's and goodbye.